Yeah?
I was wondering if you wanted to play catch.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
Yes! I'll run over there.
Okay, I'll go get the ball. That looks like the perfect ball to throw. No. Come on. These tiny arms, I'm just gonna bite it. Okay, now I gotta get up on top of this couch. Oh my gosh, they're so tiring. I got the ball, son.
I'm ready when you are. Not a soccer ball.
Wait, not this ball? Oh, I'll get another one. I'll try and find a baseball then. Not under, ow, not under there, ow. Let's try this one. Nothing. We're just gonna use the soccer ball.
I guess that'll do. Let's throw it!
Okay, here it comes. Good throw, son.
Dad, you're really throwing some heaters. Dad, how did I get on this table?
How did I get way up here?
Dad, don't move. I think I know what we can do.
Okay, we'll figure it out quick. I'm getting scared.
Let me call my friend. Pick up. Come on, pick up. He says to jump.
I am not going to jump. I would break all my legs.
He says do it or a giant raptor will attack you.
I'm not afraid of a giant raptor. If a giant... What the heck? There's a giant raptor right next to me. I'm gonna jump. Ah! Oh wait, I landed right back where I was. Oh, tell your friend he's doing a great job.
What? He said that's great that you landed, and you owe him $120.99. That's what he said. Okay, bye.
I'm definitely not paying that. Just letting you know, tell your friend